Hi, it's Miss Annette again with your Mindful Minutes. Today I am going to do a mindful exercise called Swaying Trees from Barefoot Books Mindful Kids 50 Mindfulness Activities for Kindness, Focus, and Calm by Whitney Stewart and Mina Braun. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. First, I want you to start off by sitting or standing with your feet apart. Balance evenly on both feet or on your bottom, and keep your eyes open for this. Now, imagine you are a tree in the wind and your arms are the branches. Swaying your arms side to side like swaying branches. Bend forward at the waist and keep your arms swaying. Gently back and forth. Now slowly come up, continually swaying your arms side to side. Bend and sway until you feel as free as a tree moving in a light breeze. Bend and sway, bend and sway. Finish the exercise by taking 3 soft, slow, mindful breaths. 1, 2, 3. Notice if your body feels different from how it did before. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.